Buongiorno everyone, it's Derek. How do you say Derek with an Italian accent? Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Tonight we're making a lemon and basil pasta. There we go. This recipe is really easy, guys. All you're going to need from our store is a nice mild extra virgin olive oil. We have a beautiful Reggiano from California. We do have some Southern Hemisphere oils coming very soon as well. You also need some pasta. Tonight we are using the spaghetti from Favuzzi that you can find in our store. You could also use the linguine or any small pasta if you want to, whatever's your favorite. But tonight we're just going to use the spaghetti. You'll need a big bowl, and we are going to get to our sauce. So we've got our big bowl here all ready to go. So first we're going to throw our olive oil in. Got that beautiful color to it. Next we are going to throw in some lemon zest. And again, all the ingredients and amounts are on our website, so please go there for that. Everything in this kitchen just smells amazing. Next we are going to throw in some lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed. And then we went out to the garden and got some fresh basil. So we're just going to toss that in. You can either chop it or just do like a rough break like that. Got some bigger pieces, got some smaller ones. Missed a bit. All right, once we have all that put together, you just want to get it all put together with a whisk. Make sure all that basil gets nice and coated. Oh, the smell of this already is just, it's got my glands going already. So this is just, it's so easy, guys. This is all you have to do. Just put all that together, and then we are going to get to our pasta with our pot that's already boiling. All right, as you all know, boiling water. You want to salt it like an Italian nonna. If you don't know that by now, you really should. And we are going to throw all our pasta in there. And let that cook. All right, our pasta looks like it's al dente, so we're just going to drain the water from this, and we're going to toss our pasta in our sauce. So we still have our sauce just waiting here. We're going to add our pasta. And just give it a nice mix, nice thorough mix. The warm pasta is going to warm up all the flavors, the lemon, the basil. And last but not least, we get to use some Parmigiano Reggiano. It's a massive piece. I love it. Don't use all of it though, unless you want to. So we're going to grate some on top of this. So now that we have all our Parmesan on top of here, we're just going to give it one last stir. Now we're just letting our pasta sit off to the side just for a couple minutes so all the flavors just meld together really nicely. In the meantime, I have a nice, beautiful, now some may think that this is a gross looking tomato, but this is an absolutely beautiful rustic brandy wine tomato. I'm just going to do a quick little thing with this, basically the easiest tomato salad you could ever make. Let's get to it. So we just got our tomatoes spread out here. I'm just going to do some salt on top. Just a little bit of cracked pepper. And then I'm using our Piqual extra virgin olive oil. And of course our traditional dark balsamic. So easy, so delicious. I love it. I love when we get to do this in the summer. Everything looks and smells like an Italian's dream. The lemon with the basil is still so aromatic. The beautiful tomatoes have the perfect acidity with the salt and the olive oil and balsamic. Those are perfect. Let's get our pasta. Oh. Perfection, guys. The pasta is al dente. It can slap your chin, great. It's got such great flavor to it, guys. So easy, great for summer or any time of year. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Buongiorno, everyone. Tonight we are making some lemon basil pasta. It's Derek from the Olive.